So hi everyone, let me give you a detailed video of installing Ubuntu using Oracle VirtualBox Manager. So I'm using here Windows 11. So let's jump on the process of installation. For this one, you need two things. The first one is Oracle VirtualBox Manager and Ubuntu 22.04 ISO file. Okay, so go here on the Google and type download VirtualBox machine by the Oracle. So you will get such kind of interface and just choose the window host and then accept it and download it. It hardly take 1 minute and then run it. So I have already set up here, and then we need Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Accordingly, you can take any version of this one like 20, 24, 22 or 18 or any version. So I am going to install 22.04 LTS. So here I have already downloaded this one. It would hardly like 4 to 5 GB. All right, so I have already done this one. Let's jump here. So just click on here new and make name it Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, and select the ISO file from here, and accordingly you can customize the RAM size and the size of the memory. Okay, so I have already done here. So let's have a look like systems. The base memory is this one, and the processor is 14 and hard disk accordingly, and display for like that. This is RAM part. So I'm taking here 16 MB because my here like in my computer it's like 32 GB RAM. Okay, once you have done this one, just click here, double click here, it will run and install it. It is already installing in the background. So let's have a look like, yes, yeah, it is installing. So hardly take 10 minutes and then you will get a complete Ubuntu interface in the VirtualBox machine, and then you can install the ROS2 or whatever you want. So I'm installing for here for ROS2 Humble, and then we will deploy some real-time project on the robotics. All right, I think it might be useful for you. You can install this thing. So let me give you the summary of this video. You need two things: VirtualBox machine by the Oracle, and then download the Ubuntu 22.04 LTS ISO file and create a new, and put your requirement like RAM size and size of the memories, accordingly the CPU, and then run it. So very simple process, you can install it. All right, thank you so much.